everyone, welcome.
Hello.
This is my niece with me, and today what we're going to do is tie-dyeing. Now, let me be honest with you, I haven't tie-dyed in a very long time.
Me neither.
So, in her golden age of 11.
Yes.
Anyways, what we got is the kit. So we've got a bunch of white clothing and some masks. What we're going to do is hopefully tie-dye. Now we want to get a bit creative. We just don't want to go run-of-the-mill. We can't guarantee that it's not going to be. Do you even know what that is?
No. Does that just mean like freestyle?
Like freestyle would be better. Like we just want to go all willy-nilly crazy. We don't want to have like the typical tie-dye.
We still don't know what we're doing, but
Exactly. Let's just do it.
one thing we know is that you have to put your hair up.
Absolutely. Oh, and I don't
Unless
know.
you want your hair dyed.
Like these are gloves.
It's parchment paper. Do you hear this? If that's all you hear in
What
the
is that?
video,
ASMR? What's it?
ASMR. Yeah. No, like this.
Ooh, they're sweaty too. Okay, so
Sorry
just put
for the
those
noise.
aside.
In this kit, it includes rubber gloves, elastics, and then they also give us the colors purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and pink.
Oh wow. So let's get creative.
Do it.
That's your little mask.
That's my mask. Auntie Lisa and I were wondering what colors you guys would color your mask.
Comment in the section below because this one wants to know what colors you would use.
I'm having a big trouble of what colors I
It's
should
like
do
our
this.
big decision of the day, isn't it? Really?
Yes, I don't even know.
And look what I found for you. A pencil case. Now this is going to be a whole other question on what color she wants to do this, or colors. I already know.
Thank you for
I already
the other
know.
artist in it.
Your favorite color. So this t-shirt here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to cut it quite long because I don't want to run out of space, but I'm going to take the bottom. I've seen this done and I don't know if it's going to work. And I'm just going to roll it.
I've seen this before.
Haven't you? No. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll see. It's your dad's shirt. And you roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. I don't know if it has to be tight.
But
so
we're keeping the shirt. We're not giving it to him.
Yeah, exactly. Does he
That's
know?
how it works.
Does he know you took it out of his closet?
No, he gave it to
Does it
me.
smell?
He gave it to me.
No, it's clean. I'm going to take this and I'm going to roll it like so. And then you pull the bottom, and this is
So
where
it's all wrinkly.
Yeah. And then I'm going to tie it, and I'm hoping that this stuff is as strong as... So there. So I'm just going to leave it like this, I think.
So we're a little organized here, people. Not full freewheeling.
I can totally tell that she's my niece this way, because we like to be organized, well, most of the time.
So
Okay,
what I'm going to do with this pink shirt, I'm going to fold this end and roll it up to just about the middle. And then I'm going to also do it on the other side.
Ooh,
And
that's a
then-
good idea.
And they're
Oh, I
going to
love-
meet up in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to put
And then-
elastics?
Like one elastic in the middle.
Okay.
And fold it a couple times. And the ends.
That's a cool idea. I don't like these elastics, to be honest. I'll help.
And
Like that?
These
Is that
elastics
tight
are
enough?
pretty thick.
Is that tight enough, do you think? I think you need to go a little tighter.
Really?
I don't know. I feel like you might, without losing all this.
And then...
Because then it, like, makes the division, right? All the colors maybe don't lead together. I don't know.
We're going at the ends.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. This is going to be
And
awesome.
then I'm going to fold it a little bit.
Ooh.
Just in half. And
Yep.
then put
Put another one.
elastic.
Love it.
I don't want to mess it all up and then like...
But the way I look at it is, who cares? It's a pillowcase and a mask. Oh my gosh, what am I even doing here?
This is what mine looks like.
Oh, see, she's a professional, I'm sure of it.
We just ripped the plastic bag in half, so just in case it doesn't get through.
Yes, we don't want to
Canvas.
stain the floor, right? Okay, so that one's yours. Let's just do
So-
one thing at a time, maybe.
Yes. So we haven't put the water in these bottles yet. So the bottles actually have the colors, and that's like the color powder. So you just fill it up like to this line with water. I'm just doing the ends purple. She's like doing lines on her. That's cool. Didn't you want to do like a stripe and stripe and stripe? That's what you told me.
I'm just going with it.
I'm just doing the ends of these sleeves because I remember how I twisted it. Purple. That's what I want to do.
What do you do with it after? You just let it dry?
Just let it dry, and then once it's dry, then you wash it, and then it comes out.
Ooh, you're doing the dabbing method, are you?
I'm just on the end. So I think we're just about done now. So I'm going to show you what we did.
I love. Why is there nothing on the bottom? That part.
With pink, right?
I think with pink. That's my fave color. Shocking.
I love it. Pink shirt.
Ooh,
it
that
so
looks
much.
fantastic. That looks so good.
Ooh, I like
So nice. It looks kind of like cosmic or something.
Yes.
Oh, I love
it.
that.
Goes like that. Ooh.
Oh. Oh.
Here's one of the starbursts right there. Here's the other starburst.
I love that.
That looks so cool.
I love.
Ooh, it looks pink. That's so cool.
That looks so good.
I hope you guys had fun watching this because we definitely had fun making
Every
Making
single thing.
everything.
What was your favorite one to make?
maybe the
I
kind of just scored it all.
Yeah, I
around.
found those are the most absorbent too. So anything cotton was probably better. The canvas was hard to kind of work with a little bit. You had to kind of squeeze it in there. Why not grab a tie-dye kit and have fun with your kids or your niece or your nephew or your uncle or your brother or whoever. With that being said, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by, and if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I hope you have hit that subscribe button because that helps us out a lot. And if you are new to the channel, check out our other videos. Hopefully you like those and you want to stick around, and we shall see you in the next one. And that's it. Thanks for coming along with us.
Make sure you smash the like button if you liked it.
Whoa, let's do that too.
Yes.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. I had lots of fun.
Me too.
Hope you guys did too.
Bye.
Like it.
Rotten.
Fail. No.
Now. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not getting up on my knees again, so.
You're stinking ice.
I know.
Welcome to the Crazy Dance Show.